To fix Uber Eats ID verification issues, start by checking your account status and ensuring you have the latest version of the Uber Eats app. If you are having trouble with ID verification, it may be due to an outdated app or incorrect information. First, open the Uber Eats app and navigate to the Account section, where you can view your current status and any pending verification requests. If your account is pending verification, you will need to upload a valid government-issued ID, such as a driver's license or passport. Ensure the ID is clear and legible, and that all information is accurate and up to date. If your ID is expired or damaged, you will need to obtain a new one before you can complete the verification process. Once you have uploaded your ID, wait for Uber Eats to review and verify your information. This process typically takes a few hours, but may take longer in some cases. If your verification is denied, you will receive an email with instructions on how to resolve the issue. Common issues that may cause ID verification to fail include blurry or low-quality photos, incorrect or missing information, and expired or invalid IDs. To avoid these issues, make sure to use a clear and well-lit photo of your ID, and double-check that all information is accurate and up to date. If you are still having trouble with ID verification, you can contact Uber Eats support for assistance. They will be able to help you resolve the issue and provide additional guidance on the verification process. By following these steps and ensuring your ID is valid and accurate, you should be able to fix any ID verification issues and continue using Uber Eats without interruption. Remember to always keep your account information up to date and ensure you have the latest version of the app to avoid any potential issues.